Hello friends, how are you all? Friends, today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to do a light makeup and a working woman makeup and just going to a casual party or something, friends. So we'll do the general makeup. First, friends, I just take some rose water again. I love this and how important it is to clean our face. So I'll just take this and wipe off all my face after I took a shower. I just didn't apply anything. There's nothing on my face. So I'm just cleansing it and whatever residue is coming out, we can see. So friends, my face is all dried up. I'm feeling so fresh and clean and nice. So friends, I've cleaned up my face well. I feel fresh very nicely and let's get started, friends. So first, no friends, we need a good primer. So I have over here the primer of Revlon. I hope you guys can see Revlon Photo Ready Primer. So I'll be using this. So friends, here I've taken Revlon Photo Ready Primer. I hope you guys can see it. So this is the primer which I use and I love it actually for my personal reasons. So friends, here I've taken some drops. So I just take little by little, put dots everywhere. I'm showing you step by step so that you don't get confused like how we should go about. So now friends, I have taken everywhere and put everywhere dots, dots, dots. So I just rub this whole hand and with your fingertips just massage slowly, friends. So friends, I have applied all over my face and I feel that my face has become smooth from all over and I can apply other makeup now. So friends, here we go. Now I take some drops of this also, friends. So I took here and this is how it looks. So I'll rub this also, friends. Again I do dot dots here also. You should never forget the neckline, friends, because this is the main part, because the neck and face should be blended together. So again, you just rub around. You rub on your nose, which is most important because that is where you have most of the open pores. You just blend this with your fingers or use a brush, depends on you. See friends, how nicely this foundation has blended off. It blends so well. So I feel so light and fresh, friends, doing this much makeup. It hardly takes 5 minutes for me to get ready if I have to go somewhere. Friends, you can even use the brush. So I have a brush also. So if you take, just try to blend in, friends. Don't make a big force on it. It just has to blend, friends. So you'll really love it. You can use even those blenders, but I didn't buy those blenders yet. So I use of the cotton pads like this, which I wiped with my face. I use this a lot, so I prefer those. Your friends, I feel good now. So friends, I feel so good and my neck and my face blended together now. I don't feel that they are looking different. So it looks good. I prefer this kind of makeup. And I naturally have a thick eyebrows, which I don't do much, and I don't do eyebrows much, and I try to pull off extras, but I like thick eyebrows. Now friends, I use Revlon Nearly Naked powder. So I use this and I love this personally so much. I bought this, I always buy this one, and the shade is 020, if you can see here, 020 light pale. I hope you can see friends, see. It's a light pale and you should always buy something which suits you, and you should buy a light shade which will always suit you. One shade lighter actually. So just rub this friends so that it gives you a good smooth finish friends. So I cleaned up my hair with the rice with the wheat flour and which I showed you. It really does wonders friends, because it makes your skin smoother and it is good. See friends, I'm almost done here also. So just blend it with your fingers again. It will be so good. Just rub it friends. See friends, I feel more and more good, and I can feel the skin has become so smooth. Now friends, I will come with the blusher. I use the Physician Formula. I use the Physician Formula brusher, and I like this rosy color. So it's very good. And no friends, the best part is when you open this, it just flips open. You have one compartment and you have a brush for it again friends, see. So I just take this again. I just push it onto my cheekbone. The apple bone actually. It's called the cheek apple. So I do that. Give it a little pinkish color so that the skin looks like you're having a very healthy skin. See friends, I think that much is good enough for me. So I close this. Now comes again blending part, which you do it well. Now comes for the eyes friends. So now I have a crease brush, so we can use this. I have this from Mary Kay. You can take any brush friends. So today I'm wearing a green dress now friends, so I'll be using a little bit of CoverGirl. I have a CoverGirl palette which has a little greenish and the light yellow. So it's taking time. So friends, it already has a brush, and I've already finished. I've already used green so much because I wear green clothes and all. So just take a little eyeshadow, just rub it a bit, and it's nice friends that it has a little metallic this one. So my eyes are a little small actually, so I don't need much of this, but still I use it when I have to go for some parties and I know there will be pictures and all. So this makeup I can just do it in 5 or 6 minutes friends. So I'll take little yellow also. Give a little light yellow because I have some yellow flowers. Yeah friends, so I'm done over here. When you feel that you have done this one, just take your crease brush. So yeah, friends, I feel good already. I feel that I've over makeup today. I have a lot of makeup on my face. I'll have to use my oil to remove all this makeup, and I've already showed a video on that. So now friends, I'll just take some L'Oreal eye pencil. I like this because this I've been using from many years. So it is the L'Oreal, friends. So it says L'Oreal voluminous smoldering eyeliner, and this suits me. So when I put this, never pull your eyes so much, friends, because the skin under your eye is so delicate that it can get damaged. So just take the pencil, just do it like this, friends. See, friends, see this eye has the L'Oreal pens eyeliner, and this one doesn't have, so it doesn't looks good. So we need to do it nicely for both the eyes. So friends, how nice it looks now. I myself am feeling so good after this makeup, and pictures will come out so well. So friends, this is how makeup does, and I'm at least 3/4 done over here. If you want some shining, no friends, there is some eye def over here. It has a little classy and glassy look. So it's very nice if you want to put little. I don't like that much, but let's give a little shine, friends. So yeah. I don't like this much, but I'm just showing you how it can give a more classy look. And if you have to go in the night for a party, this is the best, friends. So it really makes a big difference. Now friends, I'll apply my lipstick. This is from Maybelline. I hope you can see this. This is Maybelline Super Matte Ink. So I hope you can see it. Yeah, Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink it is. So the color is 118. I hope you can see this, 118. So I'll just take this. And I'll just take it. So friends, this is all it takes for me to get ready, and I can get ready in 5 or 7 minutes. Did you like it, friends? I'll just comb my hair and show you too. Friends, here this is the final look, and I'm ready to go to the party or an evening dinner. So here I look like this, friends. So friends, if you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe it if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. It'll give me more motivation to get more videos and more daily things which I can show up over here. Okay friends, love you all. Have a good night.